Welcome to Fairy Home Decor, where creativity meets enchantment. In today's video, Thrifty Wall Decor for vintage Shabby Chic Homes, Trendy Wall Hanging. We will take you on a delightful journey through the world of thrifty and stylish home decor. Get ready to transform your space with unique ideas and budget-friendly solutions. Our curated collection of images showcase the beauty of handmade creations and thrifty wall hanging that will add a touch of magic to your vintage and shabby chic home. At Fairy Home Decor, we believe in the power of timeless design. Explore the curated selection of handmade and trendy wall decor redefine your living spaces. Each piece tells a story, creating a harmonious blend of vintage charm and contemporary elegance. Our thrifty ideas are not just about decor, they are about creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. From diet trips, expert tips to easy to implement solutions, you will discover how simple changes can make a significant impact on your home. As we journey through the images, pay attention to the details of each thrifty wall hanging. The unique patterns, colors, and designs are carefully chosen to inspire your own creative endeavors. Happy budget to transform your home. All you need in a dash of creativity. Immerse yourself in the shabby chic aesthetic and vintage vibes. Our 20 years of experience have been distilled into these thrifty home decor ideas, ensuring that you find inspiration that stands the test of time. Whether you are a dye as a sister or someone looking to revamp your living space, Fairy Home Decor is your go-to destination. Our commitment to delivering quality content and transformative ideas has made us a trusted source for home decor inspiration. Take a closer look at the images showcasing the intricate details of each handmade wall prop. These pieces not only serve a functional purpose but also double as exquisite pieces of art. It's the perfect marriage of form and function. Now, let's explore the trending wall decor ideas that have captured the hearts of dye enthusiasts around the globe. These budget-friendly concepts prove that style and sophistication can be achieved without breaking the bank. As we near the end of our visual journey, consider how these thrifty wall decor ideas can breathe new life into your home. Remember, it's not just about decoration, it's about creating a space that reflects your the world of Thrifty Home Decor. Subscribe, like and share this video to spread the magic of Fairy Home Decor. Transform your space one thrifty idea at a time. Fairy Home Decor, where your imaginations come to life. Subscribe for more tutorials